Hi, my name is Sundar Rajan, and I'm the lead on this exciting project in which we seek to develop new tools and techniques for introductory engineering courses. This is a collaborative project between the University of California, Riverside, California State Polytechnic University, Pomona, Mount San Antonio College, Mount Sac, and the University of California at San Diego. My colleague from UC Riverside is Professor Marco Pinsavac. My colleague from Cal Poly Pomona are Professor Mingheng Li and Professor Alan Fuchs. And my colleagues from Mount Sac are Professor Eugene Mahmood, Professor Martin Mason, Professor Carolyn Robinson, and Professor Brandon Saller. My colleague from UC San Diego is Professor Celeste Pilgard. The saying at the beginning of this video captures in a nutshell the main elements of knowledge generation that we are addressing in this project: the student, the teacher, the student community, and time. We seek to support beginning engineering students by addressing these elements using modern tools and current learning techniques. We are targeting 6 courses in the beginning engineering curriculum. These courses are Introduction to Engineering, Engineering Computation and Programming, Technical Graphics and Communication, Statics, Industrial Automation, and Materials. We chose these courses because together they provide a broad introduction to engineering. They are part of the beginning engineering curriculum for many schools. And in addition to providing technical skills, these courses also deal with communication skills and professional skills, and thus they give students a sense of what actual engineering is. Students can also use these skills to look for internships and research opportunities.
For the students, we're adapting current pedagogical materials into a hybrid format. Students first complete online learning modules that are created, so that they first review back on the material, then learn new content, and then explore the concepts interactively. The presentation sequence and online quizzes adapt to individual students' progress. In-class sessions led by instructors are devoted to active learning, using real-world applications of the principles that the students learned in their online activity. Students receive feedback on their activities and performance throughout the course, so that they understand the relation between their study habits and their performance and make changes if needed.
For the teacher, we provide online and in-class content that they can select from when constructing their courses. We also provide fine-grained data on student activity and performance, so they know immediately where they're struggling and they can modify their in-class sessions.
We facilitate community learning through 2 main methods. Students belong to learning communities and take classes together, which foster social engagement both in and out of the classroom. The in-class active learning sessions that follow the online learning activities are also spaces where students collaborate to learn as they solve practical, real-world problems.
The last element, time, is a key contributor to learning. It is often not sufficient to learn content once. It is necessary to review frequently, apply it to new situations, and connect the content with prior and subsequent material. We address this element by incorporating practice testing throughout the course, especially into reviews in the online learning modules.
We expect that supporting the 4 elements will enable students to learn and retain knowledge from these classes better. We expect that providing students with information about their learning activities and their performance will enable them to approach learning in a way that promotes both short-term and long-term engagement with engineering. We also expect the practical aspects of the class will give them a sense of doing engineering, what is referred to as engineering identity. The research aspects of this project will explore how effective these supports are towards student outcomes, which aspects are most relevant, and what pedagogical principles can be distilled into developing the engineering programs of the future. We are excited to embark on this project. We thank you for your attention and look forward to sharing our progress and updates on our venture.